All right, I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube video a cover for a blog post. So currently for my client Contractor Style, we do a lot of photo and video for them. If you click on any of these blog posts, it's really just a portfolio of the work that they did. And which I don't know why that's not loading. There we go. Okay, so this is a little workaround on how to actually set the video as the cover. I'm going to show you how to do it with, let's see, I think there's one called Spook. Yeah, Spook Install. This has a video, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to go into the blog post, okay? But it's not automatically showing up as the cover. And I'm going to make it to where it can. So you see here, you can't like click it and like choose make cover. If you go to settings, you can't make it the cover. It's just going to, it's automatically pulling an image. So what I'm going to do is take this off. I'm going to publish it. Okay. And then I'm going to go back in and do it again. I'm going to turn it back on and publish it. Okay. Spook, span install. Okay, I'm gonna go back to settings. There we go. This should now make, let me go to the live side now. It should make that video the cover. And the reason that's nice, I'll show you here. I'm gonna refresh this in a second, but the reason it's nice is just so it, if someone were to click right here or hover, it's just gonna automatically start playing, which is just a really nice feature. Let me refresh. Sometimes I have to refresh it twice in order for it to stick or to really see the changes. There it is. Now it's gonna show as the video. And I'm gonna go through and do this one at a time for any of the blog posts that we've done that have like Asurion here. We have a video for that one. And then also the 1230 Club. And I'm gonna do it for all of them. But yeah, that's just a little workaround. It's a funny little maybe glitch in their system, but I don't know of any other way to make a video a cover than going through that process. So there's that. I hope that's helpful. If it was, please like, subscribe, and share.